Hello all, so this is the third video for developing Python scripts in different Python environments. So in the previous video we have seen text editors, IDEs, and in the last video we're going to see the notebook environment. For that you have to launch the Jupyter Notebook. Normally Jupyter Notebook will launch in the browser, but you don't need internet connection for this. It will just run in your local host machine. So it's launching Jupyter Notebook now. Doesn't launch automatically, you have to open your browser. Here you can see the Jupyter Notebook home page. This is my C drive in which Python is installed, from where it's launching. So here you can see the local host and the port number is 8889. So this can be different from user to user. So now you have to click new and select Python 3. So it will open a new page. This is our notebook. Notebook environments are good for learning, since type your code here and below that you can see the result. One thing to note in the notebook environment is that it won't save in .py format, but it will save in ipynb format, which is IPython notebook. Since it is the newly opened, it is untitled, just click it, give your name nb1 just for renaming it, and you can save your notebook. So if you want to see where your notebook is saved, here you can see notebook is saved in ipynb format. As you know, these development environment are of personal preference. You can use anything you want to learn, but I personally going to use the Spider IDE because I prefer to use it. The entity of notebook is SL, so here you can enter your code and see them running. So here you can see Jupyter auto completes the bracket for you. For running, you have to click the run button or print run. So now you can also use shift enter for running, which is quite easy. And if you give enter, it will iterate to the lines. If you give shift enter, it will run. Also, another feature of notebook is you can take notes here. You can just change to markdown, and here you can say take notes if necessary, and click shift enter. You can see it's executed. It's not executed actually, it's printed here. Also you can rename it a number of times, and you can see the name changes in the directory. You can use any three of the methods for learning Python. So I'll be using Spider for sharing the concepts with you. So you can use the concepts in IDE, notebook, or text editors. Anything is fine. For some other keyboard shortcut, you can just go to help keyboard shortcut. Here you can see the list of all the keyboard shortcuts used in the Jupyter Notebook. If you are going to use it, be familiar with it if necessary. That's it for this video. Coming videos, we're going to see the Python syntax. Thanks for watching.